Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone is unlocked and up to date. This avoids missing features. Open Settings and go straight to Lock Screen so you're in the right area. Make sure the image you want for Always on Display is already in Gallery. If not, quickly save or download it now. Once done, you'll choose Always on Display options from Lock Screen. This first step gets you where you need to be to change the wallpaper reliably. Now tap Always on Display within Lock Screen and pick the Always on Display toggle if it's not active. Choose Clock Style to access wallpaper or image options, then select Add Image or Wallpaper to pick your saved photo. You'll crop and position the image to fit the screen. Take a moment to preview how the image looks with the clock and notifications. Make sure contrast and legibility remain good because readability matters on the dimmed Always On panel. Finish by tapping Apply or Save, then confirm Always on Display is enabled and set to show on always or scheduled times you prefer. Lock the phone to test how the wallpaper appears alongside clock and notifications, and adjust brightness or crop if needed. If the image doesn't display, reboot the device first. If that fails, reset Always on Display settings and redo the selection. These troubleshooting steps resolve most issues and get your Samsung S24 Ultra showing the new AOD wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.